If I want to only focus on one shape, if I want to modify one shape only, I can double click on the shape and now I enter the what we call the isolation mode. Now I can modify my shape however I want and nothing else will be affected. I focus only on this shape. I do the modifications I want to do. And then once I'm done, I can leave the isolation mode by clicking on this button right here. Or I can just double click outside and we are back. I'm gonna open the layers window. I'm gonna open layer 3, the tree layer. And as you see, it's made of 3 parts. I'm gonna press shift and select the 3 parts. Now the 3 parts are selected and I'm gonna group them. Right click and click on group. Now notice here there is a group and inside we can find the 3 parts. Now that the 3 parts are grouped, if I click here on the top part and move, the entire tree moves. If I click away and then click on the bottom and move, the entire tree moves. Why? Because now the 3 parts are grouped. I can also resize and the 3 parts will be affected. If I want to resize proportionally without any warp, if I want to make the tree smaller, I can press shift and then scale it just like that, and the scaling will be proportional without any distortion, just by pressing and maintaining shift. I'm gonna go back, I right click, and now I'm gonna ungroup, and notice the group disappeared. If I now click here and move, now only the top part moved. If I try the same on the bottom part, now only the shadow moved. Another tool I want to show you is this tool right here, the direct selection tool. This tool allows us to modify anchor points. It allows us to select and adjust anchor points. I'm going to show you an example. This shape right here is made of 3 points. I can click on this point and move it just like that. And only this point moves. The other 2 remain where they are. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on this point. I can also use the arrows to move the point. I can press shift and select 2 points at the same time, and I'm gonna move them with the arrows and they will move together. If I click, for example, on the ground is as you see made of 4 points. If I select this point right here, I can delete it by pressing the key delete, and now the shape is only made of 3 points. Same thing with the shadow. It's made of 4 points. If I click on this point right here and press delete, now half the shape is gone.